This is going to be one of the focal points. We've got about 15,000 square feet of haunted house.
You get it, you'll get a free general pass ticket.
All these parts are from the state hospital, Indiana State Hospital.
Yeah, I was going to say, this is real.
Which is in Evansville.
Oh, there's webs. There's webs.
I don't like it. Oh my God.
Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Today we're here at the Evansville Nightmare Factory. We're going to give you guys a behind-the-scenes tour, both with the lights on and with the lights off. Now, it is daylight outside, but they are going to sprinkle some actors in too. So without further ado, let's get in here and get some scares.
I'm Chris Langford. I'm a manager here at Evansville Nightmare Factory. I'm originally owner of Evil Studios. So this is something I've been doing for 28 years now. So we're building in a 17,000 square foot factory. We've got about 15,000 square feet of haunted house. It's a medical industrial theme.
Hey, I'm Sean Smith. I was a home haunter for about 10 years and ran into another guy after we outgrew our home haunt, and he's like, hey, you want to build a haunted house? And I was like, sure, you know. So we're taking a little bit of our storyline from Eastbrook to here.
Eastbrook, was that the name of your home haunt?
Well, we called it Nightmare on Eastbrook.
Nightmare on Eastbrook, okay.
Yeah. The idea was the doctor from Eastbrook, Dr. Eastbrook, his first creation was Larry the Clown. The reason why Larry was always silent because the Dr. Eastbrook cut out his stomach. So moving into here, we decided, well, the doctor needed a place to do his experiments, you know, and creations. So
you'll definitely see some characters from the other haunts, the Nightmare on Eastbrook, local zombie farm, and then of course some of our Evil Studios characters will actually be out here. So yeah, you'll see a lot of those.
Well, show us around the outside here a little bit. Tell us what folks are going to see when they come in out here in the parking lot.
So this is an old hospital. We designed this after a military hospital. We wanted it to have that feel that the doctor had moved in here and then he developed the inside of it. But we've got our ticket booth. We actually have two entrances. One is going to be for our general entrance, and then this is going to be Fast Pass over here, and then in the future that'll be our VIP entrance also.
And they will have a midway too.
Yeah, and then of course midway's back here. We've got, currently we have our escape room, and then out here we've got some other things going on, possibly axe throwing, and we had paintball at Evil Studios. We're talking about doing like a jelly ball sort of, and food trucks.
We love us some food trucks.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah. And for the 13th and 14th, we're going to have Rock-A-Burger is going to be out here, which is a local burger place. So
our proceeds are going to go to St. Jude's.
Cancer team. Slider Jesus will be here that day also.
Special appearance.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, also remember, I know we're here in the daylight. This is not going to look like this during haunt season. These guys are in the middle of build. They're trying to get all this spooky stuff finished for you. So you'll have to come back out. And when do you open?
The 13th is our preview weekend. 13th and 14th, we're just kind of working out the bugs, but we want to give the best show ever. And then after that, it'll be another week, and I think it's the 27th. We'll have all there posted on EvansvilleNightmareFactory.com.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
So we're going to be doing bigger groups. So like instead of just a single group coming in at one time, we're going to bring in like 10 groups at one time. So like 25, 30. When they come in, we're going to have two staging areas, but we can also interact with them all at once, you know, and do a lot more with them. In here, we can kind of show you the initial room. It's not quite finished yet, but this will be the initial waiting room. We'll have an actor in here that passes them back and forth, but this is where the first group of 25 will wait before we move them into the haunted house. Once they come through there, they'll snake around the hallway here. This is the initial staging area. So this is basically this is where they first go into the haunt. This is a nurse's station. Still got a little bit of work to be done to it, but this is going to be that area where we're going to bring those groups up one at a time, and then we're going to basically sentence them into their rooms. But this is where we divide those groups. Once they're told, we're going to split that group up. There's two hallways here. We're going to go down this hallway here, and we'll walk
Yeah,
toward.
If you're a group of two, one's going to go that way, the other one's going to go that way.
split them.
Yeah, we're going to split them.
Oh,
So here's where the two groups meet. You know, it's a short walk, but it's enough to keep everybody kind of uncomfortable. They think they're getting completely torn away from each other, but you should meet up right about the same time. And then we'll go into the first patient room. First patient room, they're still working on this a little bit.
That poor guy.
Yeah, you had it coming though.
The doctor.
had it coming, he said.
All these parts are from the state hospital, Indiana State Hospital.
Yeah, I was gonna say, this is real.
Which is in Evansville. So these are all, so it used to be a part of a bigger collection, but this is all, been separated out, but even these are actually from the state hospitals. So this is something we've used in several different haunted houses. This is gonna be a gut room, basically. So they're gonna be throwing guts at the cages. And again, these are from the Indiana State Hospital.
Yeah, it's legit.
Oh.
So we're coming into shock therapy. Again, we're working on lighting and action in this scene. We have control panels from different places, and then we've got 2 mechanical props in the cages.
People coming through will actually have to pull the lever to start the process.
Nice.
And then when they come over here, they get the Mary prop.
Oh, very nice.
I think the characters are going to be all over these walls. Oh, yeah.
Maybe.
So this is the operating room. This is all from State Hospital. This is actually an operating table from the State Hospital. This is going to be one of the focal points of the haunted house here. So this is where you'll meet the doctor for the first time, I believe, and you'll see those elements.
No, you meet the surgeon.
Oh, you meet the surgeon, sorry. But yeah, so we'll meet the surgeon in this room, and this will be a little bit more of a theatrical interaction. So that's actually from my ankle.
My idea is we're going to put a key in there
Oh, okay.
with some fluids. So that
Interesting.
you'll have a certain amount of time to find that key.
You got to go digging.
You gotta go digging.
You get it, you'll get a free general pass
Oh,
ticket.
you might get a free ticket, huh?
Yeah. Oh, by the way, this is a wheelchair accessible haunted house.
100%.
very good.
Wheelchair
to know.
accessible.
Yes. But when you come in here, there's only one way out.
Oh, you gotta go through the fireplace. So this is the doctor's room?
Yes, this is the doctor's, I guess, office library.
I love
Steady.
that wallpaper.
Steady. There you go,
This.
doctor's steady. Actually, that's not wallpaper.
That's all handmade.
That's painted.
Yeah.
Well, it looks good.
Yeah. This is another room that we're still working on, but this is going to be a lab. So we're going to have different things on the walls.
But usually these tables work really well.
This is our security office. Got a little friend here. Little
He's
bed
okay
buddy.
too. He's like, maybe he's got to poop, Tyler.
Yeah, he looks like he's got to poop.
Speaking of which, bathroom scene. Typical bathroom scene. Big, nice and big.
Oh, who's gonna be in there?
This next thing was a labor of love. So this is a tunnel that was built by one of our people, Corey. It's more just visual for you, so I'll let you guys walk through
We're
it.
taking a tunnel out of the bathroom.
So as you pass through the bathroom, you get a hole knocked in the wall, you're coming through the sewer pipe, and then you're into the shower scene. This will have working water, so the shower heads will work. We couldn't do a hospital without a chapel inside.
You gotta have a chapel, yeah.
Every hospital does have a chapel.
We got a lot of elements from different places. I believe that's a Tom Savini prop. That's an original. So we'll have a confessional back here.
Remember when I told you about the I-beams? So we wanted to kind of make them look real. This is an incinerator room. Over here's our piping, and I was telling you about the...
Yeah,
Yeah.
that looks good.
Or the wooden I-beams.
That's all
yeah.
wood. Look at that door.
That's actually from the old brewery in town. It was actually used in a Freddy scene at one point. It was Nightmare on Elm Street.
This next room is for you.
No, it's not. Oh, God.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Ew, there's stuff hanging down. Oh, God, Tyler, you're going to get hit.
Oh, there's webs. There's webs.
I don't like it.
We're in the back room. So as the haunt goes along, it gets darker and darker and darker. According to the story, the evil started to grow and grow as the haunt went, or as you've gone through the building. This that you're going to see here is the true evil inside the building. It is one of the true evils. There's a couple of them, and then we'll see the end of it. This is where that building gets twisted and more evil. So.
Literally twisted.
I'm getting too old for this floor though, so.
Oh, I don't like it because it makes me feel like I'm gonna fall into that damn spider, even though it's up there. This is really disorienting, though.
This is the garden. We're gonna mulch the floor, so we have that smell of the cedar and everything in this room.
Squishy floor, too.
Yeah, squishy floor.
Like you're walking on dirt.
This is what we call chainsaw hallway. Chainsaw
I
alley.
wonder how I got to
Yeah. Again, as we're approaching the end of the haunt, we're suckers for chainsaws. I mean, I've had them in my haunts. He's had it in his haunt. We just can't stop. We're gonna do a little different in here too. So there's gonna be a couple of different spots where they get hit. So once they go down, you're not gonna know. If they've been in here multiple times, they're never gonna know where they're gonna get hit at. This will be the way out. And as we go down through here too, there are 3 local artists that did the graffiti on these walls. So we got the paint for them, and then we actually had them do the art. There's gonna be another artist that comes back and does some more work for us outside. There'll be another chainsaw out here also. We'll have this will be our outside chainsaw alley. That's where we'll have the gas chainsaws and stuff. Again, we talk about having local artists and things. That's what we've kind of set this up. up. Sean's wife actually does a lot of these props the shirts and the candles and those things. Then we had some other local artists come in here and do some things. So, and having a place for them to show off their merch.
Entertainment, even though there isn't anybody here. Ready? All right, follow Chris. Her music's creepy.
Mm-hmm.
Larry!
Look out for that guy.
All right, you guys want to go together or split up?
Yes.
We'll take 2 of you. Go this way.
Me and Tammy, and then you can go.
Enter.
Where did we go? Oh shoot, there's something in there. Look out, look out.
Oh, where'd they go? I hear him getting scared over there. Somebody got him.
Oh my God. All right, see? You get split up, but you never know. When you might find your group again. Son of a buck. What is that? Oh, Lord of mercy. Oh, there's something in the path.
Oh my.
Let's not do that.
Oh my God. Okay. Nope, nope. Trevor! Help! Oh my God!
I think I peed a little bit.
What was it? What was it? I don't know. Guys, this is only a sneak peek.
See, they got some sounds going too already.
Oh, no, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
I don't know how to help you, sir.
Oh.
Oh, good God. That one moves fast. Oh, that one moves really fast.
You have a hand on your face.
What do we do? I don't know, Tammy. Crap. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what
Hey.
the heck was that?
No,
That just
no.
moved.
It did just move.
It might have.
Yeah.
But now you gotta crawl your way out.
In the fireplace. Yep.
I go that way.
Yep.
Cold in the fireplace.
Oh,
That's right. What was
I think
that?
I'm concussed.
Yeah, so big.
Tammy's concussed. Right? Holy moly.
He hasn't pooped yet.
He still hasn't pooped yet.
Oh, it's him. Larry's in the... Oh, God, why? Where do you even come from? Holy cow. Oh, this is nice. It's like a White Homes or something. Oh, I don't like it. What is that? Good night. That's a good distraction. Such a good distraction. We need an award for fast. Son of a...
Biscuit eater.
Oh, that don't look right.
No, it doesn't.
Ay.
I don't know about it.
She's
I
got a
don't
little
know
bit of blood
about
on her.
it. You still ain't
Oh, there's
taking
a
your
teddy bear
medicine,
over
have you?
here. Oh my God! Double tap. That's technically a triple tap.
That's not creepy at all.
Oh God! Ew! Don't touch that, Tammy.
Down came the rain.
She's in here touching these eggs. Oh! No! You keep that thing up there. Keep
Hey,
it
look
there.
up there, Nora.
No!
Look up there.
No, sir. No. Oh my God! There's 2 of them. That room is really gonna be the end of me. I don't trust you, Larry. No, this isn't fair. This is not fair. Oh my God. Oh God. Y'all even look good in the light. Like, I don't know if good is the right word. Scary. Scary might be a better word.
Oh my.
Jesus. Tammy, look out. Oh God, that was or something. Oh, that one has underwear on. So does Larry.
We still have a friend.
You haven't hit your head on anything. That's amazing.
Oh no. I hear the chainsaw.
Oh, it's
That looks good. Wow, that thing looks good. It's nice and bloody.
All right, guys, if you enjoyed this tour of the Evansville Nightmare Factory, leave us a comment down below. But first, I've got a link for you right here. I've got another behind the scenes tour real similar to this up in Illinois. It's called Aura Haunted House. You're not gonna wanna miss it. That's an actually haunted hospital. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.
No, I won't hurt it, I hope. Come to me.
They're usually pretty smart. They won't just shut off.
Come to me. Oh my goodness. Wonder what your name is. You're making noise. Fred? I don't know. Is your name Fred?